Airline maker Boeing says some of its medium-haul 737 planes, including the troubled MAX 8, could have a defective wing part. According to the American aviation giant, it involves a part involved in deploying the wing's leading edge. The U.S. Federal Aviation Administration, the FAA, says Boeing believed they were prone to cracking. Complete failure of the parts, known as leading edge slat tracks, would not lead to the loss of the aircraft, but it could cause damage in flight. The FAA did not draw any link between the faulty parts and issues around a flight control system that caused the worldwide grounding of Boeing 737 MAX aircraft in March following 2 fatal crashes. The FAA is aiming to certify new software for the control system by the end of this month. But it could still take weeks, if not months, to get the planes flying again. Part of the problem is a disjointed international certification process that was seen when different regulators failed to coordinate on the Boeing grounding in March. The International Air Transport Association said trust in the certification system was damaged by separate decisions to ground the jet, with the U.S. last to act. The organization also gave a thumbs down to the trade war between the U.S. and China and says international trade flows have slowed and industry revenue suffered.
Imposing tariffs on any kind of goods anywhere in the world is a bad news. You know, we rely on open borders, open to people and to trade. So when everything that restricts trade, tariffs or whatever protectionist measure, is a bad news for our industry.